Before you spend money on an air fryer this year, make sure you choose one that actually makes your daily cooking easier. If you want crispy food, faster meals, and a simple way to cook your favorite dishes with less oil, the COSORI TurboBlaze is one of the best value options to consider. I've added the links below, so you can compare the latest prices, check available deals, and read real customer reviews before making your decision. What makes the TurboBlaze different is that it's not just made to cook food, it's designed to save you time. With its advanced DC motor and TurboBlaze technology, it creates powerful airflow up to 3,600 RPM, helping your food cook faster while keeping the outside crispy and the inside tender. Whether you're making chicken, fries, vegetables, or quick snacks after a busy day, it helps you get consistent results without making cooking complicated. The large 6-quart basket gives you enough space for everyday family meals, and multiple cooking modes like air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate allow it to replace several kitchen appliances. The ceramic non-stick basket makes cleanup simple, while temperature control up to 450 degrees gives you flexibility for different recipes. Now, this is not the most premium air fryer on this list. If you need a larger size or more advanced features, the next options may be better. But for most homes looking for strong performance, fast cooking, easy cleanup, and great value for the price, the COSORI TurboBlaze is a very smart choice. Check the links below to compare the latest prices and see what other buyers are saying. Now let's move to the next air fryer, which brings a different experience for everyday family cooking. Now, if you don't want an air fryer with complicated features and just need something reliable for everyday cooking, this next option is worth checking out. This is the Instant Vortex Plus XL, designed for people who want crispy results, simple controls, and consistent cooking without spending extra money on features they may never use. I've added the links below so you can check the latest prices, available deals, and real customer reviews before making your decision. The biggest reason people choose the Instant Vortex Plus XL is its balance of performance and simplicity. It helps make everyday meals easier, whether you're cooking chicken wings, fries, frozen foods, or quick family dinners. The 6-quart capacity gives you plenty of space for daily cooking, and the square basket design allows you to fit more food compared to many round air fryers. With even crisp technology, hot air circulates around your food to create a crispy outside while keeping the inside tender and flavorful, using much less oil than traditional frying. You also get multiple cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you more flexibility from one appliance. The touch screen controls are easy to understand, the heating is fast, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple after cooking. Now, this is not the most premium air fryer with advanced features like smart probes or dual baskets. But for many homes, that's actually the advantage. It focuses on reliable performance, easy cooking, and great value for the price. So if you want an air fryer that saves time, keeps cooking simple, and delivers crispy results every day, the Instant Vortex Plus XL is a smart option to consider. Check the links below to compare today's prices and see what other buyers are saying. But if you need more power and advanced features for bigger meals, the next air fryer takes things even further. Now, if you have a bigger family or want to cook more food at the same time, this next air fryer is a great option. This is the Ninja Foodi Dual Basket Air Fryer, designed for more space, faster cooking, and making complete meals easier. I've added the links below so you can check the latest prices, deals, and real customer reviews before choosing. The biggest advantage is the dual basket design. You can cook two different foods with different settings and have them finish at the same time. So you can make chicken on one side and fries or vegetables on the other without waiting for another batch. With its large capacity and powerful performance, it's great for families, meal prep, and everyday cooking. You also get useful functions like air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, replacing multiple kitchen appliances. Now, it is bigger than some other models and needs more counter space. But if you want more capacity, flexibility, and an easier way to cook full meals, the Ninja Foodi Dual Basket is definitely worth considering. Check the links below to compare prices and see what buyers are saying. Next, let's look at an air fryer with a different design and cooking experience. Now, the next air fryer is for people who want something different from a regular air fryer, something cleaner, more convenient, and easier for everyday cooking. This is the Ninja Crispi Pro, and it changes the way you prepare, cook, and store your meals. I've added the links below, so you can compare the latest prices, check available deals, and read real customer reviews before making your decision. The biggest advantage of this air fryer is its unique glass container system. Instead of cooking your food and moving it into another dish, you can prep, cook, serve, and store everything in the same container. That means fewer dishes, less cleanup, and a much easier experience for daily meals. The clear glass design lets you watch your food while it cooks, and it also gives a modern, premium look compared to many traditional basket air fryers. You also get useful cooking functions like air fry, bake, roast, recrisp, and dehydrate, giving you flexibility for snacks, family meals, and different recipes. Now, this air fryer is not mainly about being the cheapest option or having the biggest size. It's made for people who want convenience, smart design, easy cleanup, and a cooking system that feels simple from start to finish. So if you want a modern air fryer that looks great, saves time, and makes everyday cooking easier, the Ninja Crispi Pro is definitely worth considering. Check the links below to compare today's prices and see what real buyers are saying. Now let's move to the final air fryer, which brings the strongest overall performance and features on this list. Now, for the final air fryer on this list, this one is for people who want the most complete cooking experience, more space, more control, and smarter features for everyday meals. This is the Ninja DZ550 Dual Basket Air Fryer, designed for families and anyone who wants to cook more food with less effort. Before making your final decision, check the links below to compare the latest prices, available deals, and real customer reviews from people already using it. The biggest advantage of the Ninja DZ550 is its dual zone technology. Instead of cooking one food at a time, you can prepare two different dishes with separate temperatures and settings. The Smart Finish feature helps both sides finish together, so your complete meal is ready at the same time. This saves time and makes daily cooking much easier, especially for busy families. It also includes a smart cooking system with a thermometer that helps you cook meats more accurately, giving you consistent results without guessing. With its large 10-quart capacity, this air fryer is built for bigger meals, family dinners, and weekly meal preparation. You also get multiple cooking functions like air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, allowing one machine to handle many different recipes. Now, because it offers more capacity and advanced features, it does require more counter space compared to smaller models. But if you want powerful performance, smart features, large capacity, and an air fryer that can handle almost everything, the Ninja DZ550 is one of the strongest choices on this list. All 5 air fryers are great options. The best one depends on your cooking style, family size, and budget. Check the links below, compare today's deals and customer reviews, and choose the air fryer that fits your kitchen best.